Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. Hope all of you are in good health. Yes, students, we have finished nouns, pronouns and adjectives of the 8 parts of speech. In today's class, let us learn about chapter 6, verbs. Yes, just check these examples. Mr. John is a magician. He has a magical wand in his hand. The children watched his magical tricks. Yes, children. So in the first sentence, is talking about the state of being of the subject John, that he is a magician. Yes. In the second sentence, is talking about the possession or the subject he owning something. What is he owning? He is owning possessing a magical wand. In the third sentence, here, what are the children doing? They watched his magical tricks. Yes? So it's talking about, in the third sentence, it's talking about, it indicates the action. Yes? So, is, has and watched are the verbs. Yes, all these three is, has and watched are verbs. Now, shall we derive the definition of the verbs from the words we got? So, the definition of a verb is words that denote, state or condition of someone or something, possession and action. Shall we repeat once more the definition of a verb? Words which denote possession, action, state or condition of someone or something. Yes? I hope you understood the definition of a verb. So students, you understood the definition of a verb. So shall we identify verbs in these sentences? Let's check them. Neha kept the money carefully. So here, kept is the verb. Neha is flying a kite. Flying is the verb. Ruskin Bond writes novels. So writes is the verb. The teacher praised the children. So here praised is the verb. And children, we'll ask some questions and we'll just check what answers we get from them. Now, what did Neha keep? She kept money. What did Neha fly? Kite. What did Ruskin Bond write? He wrote novels. Whom did the teacher praise? She praised the children. And now, when you are asking questions with what or whom, and the answer you get from the question is nothing but the object. So, these are the verbs and these are the objects. Money, kite, novels, children are the objects. Now, the action from the verb is smoothly passed on to the object. So, we checked out the verbs and the objects. Now, here a verb which requires an object to complete the meaning of the sentence is called as a transitive verb. Yes? So, students, let us check the verbs in these sentences. Now, here Nitin is sleeping. Sleeping is the verb. The bell rang. Rang is the verb. Yes? Did you observe? What did you observe? There is no object. Yes? The action of the verb is not passed on to any object, but the sentence is giving some good sense. So, the verb which does not require an object to complete its meaning, but gives good sense is called an intransitive verb. Yes, children? We learned the definition of a verb. We learned the definition of transitive and intransitive. Yes? What is transitive? The verb which requires an object to complete the meaning is called transitive, and the verb which does not require an object to complete its meaning but give good sense to it is called as an intransitive. Now here Nitin is sleeping and the bell rang is having some sense, isn't it? So these are intransitive verbs. Yes. Verbs are broadly classified into two categories based on the function they perform. So let us check what are those two verbs. Main or principal verb and auxiliary or the helping verbs. First let us learn main or the principal verbs. Now they are run, dance, jump, cry. Now when we add an ing to it, when we add an d to it, same way when we add a d jump, anything you can either add a d or the ing. When you are adding the ing or the d to form the verb, another form of the verb is being formed. This also is a verb. Running, dance, jumped, crying is also a verb. Another form of verb is formed. So these are called the main or the principal verbs, where from the base form of the verb. This is called the base form. Some children have a doubt when they are asked a question, what is the base form of the verb? They are confused. So nothing. Base form of the verb is nothing but the main verb itself. Yes, and you can change the form of the verb. That is only called the main verb or the principal verb. Yes, children? Let us check with the auxiliary or the helping verbs. From the word itself, you can understand the word helping. What is helping? Means you help. So here the verbs like helping verbs are is, am, was, has, can, could, had, was, were. All these are helping verbs. And what do these helping verbs do? They help the main verb to perform well. Now here in this sentence, these has and can are the helping verbs. Yes. Now the main verb is what? Dance. And here the main verb is sing. Yes. So what is the helping verb doing? It is helping the main verb to function well. And these helping verbs can be more useful when you are changing the tense of the sentence, you are asking questions, or when you are making negative sentences. The helping verb is very useful to make the main verb function well. Yes, I hope you understood the definition of the helping verb and the main verb. Here main verb is used to change the form of the verb. Yes, and where is the helping verb? It helps the main verb, helping verb helps the main verb to perform the manner of action of that verb in a better way. Either it may be in the change of tense, either it may be in the forming of a negative or sentence or a question. Yes. So in today's class we learned definition of a verb, definition of transitive and intransitive verb, and the definition with examples of main verb and the helping verb. That's all for today's class. Thank you.